Today we are making breakfast and bacon, eggs, and French toast. Everybody loves bacon and eggs.
We're gonna put the bacon on this
Sides.
cooking sheet, and we're gonna put the oven on 400 and set the timer for 20 minutes.
Yeah. First we're gonna have
And
to
then we'll
light
check
up.
the bacon. It might be done. It might need a couple extra minutes, but show them what we do. And grab one.
Wait, okay. Grab them here. Sometimes you have to grab them here
Pull slow.
so you don't rip. This one was already ripped.
Yeah, sometimes they do that.
Yeah. Like this.
You can do a long way.
Long way.
Yeah.
And you don't want to grab that part. Remember, always grab this part of it. Never grab it here.
Grab from the end.
Here. So we got our bacon done.
Yeah, got the bacon laid out. And you can see it takes up pretty much the whole sheet tray.
Yeah.
So now we'll do 400.
400 is a lot of temperature.
A lot of temperature. Indeed. And we want to put it in right now so that it heats up with the oven.
Yeah.
Oh, there we go.
Never,
Here, you hold this.
never ever touch it, guys. Never ever touch it.
Not when it's hot.
No, not when it's hot though.
Yeah. All right.
Please don't touch it.
And then we'll do timer 20 minutes.
Now we have the egg now, but never drop an egg on the floor. It's hard to get off. So,
We're gonna make the French toast batter. Alright, you wanna do the eggs? Do the eggs.
Okay. You ready? Harder. Ooh, that's a good one.
Yeah.
Should I do it one more time? Or should I
Do
put
you
my
think you
thumb?
need to? You should hold it over the bowl if you're gonna do that, for sure. There you go.
There we go. No shell.
Great
There's a
job.
shell.
You did
There's a
awesome. Woo.
Is there a shell in there?
Do you
No.
see a shell?
No.
Cool. You wanna do this other one?
Always put this egg at the side, but I did it like when
And
the
Evan
crack
is washing his hand between every thing.
one. Yeah.
Hands.
But
go
never
ahead.
ever get shell in it, or else it'll be disgusting.
Well, you try not to get shell, but sometimes it
Yeah.
happens.
But if the crack
Can you?
if the crack is at the bottom, you wanna put it up top and then do it.
Careful. You really hulked that egg. Get some shell in there.
Yeah. No.
Yeah, no?
I don't know.
No, it's good.
It's good.
All right,
Sarah.
go wash your hands.
It's good I didn't drop the egg.
All right, so I'm gonna add the sugar.
Yep.
Plop.
Blop.
Milk.
Milk. The milk.
A quarter teaspoon of cinnamon. This is actually cinnamon sugar mix because that's all I have.
Yep.
We'll do a quarter teaspoon of vanilla extract. Plop.
Now can I stir?
Yep, you can stir now.
Here you go. Never touch a knife.
Yes, you need parents' help and permission if you're gonna use a knife.
Yeah.
This is called a serrated knife. It's great for bread. Good for tomatoes.
Yep.
Good for cutting pineapple.
Onions?
Not so good for onions.
No.
You'd want
But-
to use a chef knife for that.
Yeah. Chef knife.
You want to hold this? Bacon timer went off.
Yep.
Let's check the bacon.
Bacon, bacon, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, hold that.
The bacon's in there. Can you see, guys? Me too. Woo, 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 woo.
Some of that isn't quite cooked enough.
Nope.
See?
Yeah.
We want that part to cook a little longer.
Yep. But the timer hasn't went off.
It did
Look
go
at the
off. We're gonna do
bread.
another 2 minutes.
Yep, the bread. Bread. So now we are getting it into the thing,
The batter.
the batter.
Putting the bread into the French toast batter.
Yep.
See?
And
Flip it. Let it absorb some.
mhm.
Let it drain out a little.
And then we put it on there. The thing for pancakes.
The griddle.
Yep, the griddle. Griddles are really hot.
Yes.
Yeah, so
They do get hot.
you always want a grown-up's help.
Hey, we got the bacon out.
Yep.
Bacon. And we want to put it on a paper towel lined plate.
Yep.
Absorb some of that grease.
Some of that grease on toilet paper.
Toilet paper.
Toilet paper.
Charmin for the bacon fat.
You never bake.
Not those ones. Can you flip these two? On
Those
the
two?
end. You gotta scoop it under quick, remember? Like the pancake. Just like a pancake.
This one's big.
And here's the finished plate for Mr. Evan. French toast, blueberries, scrambled eggs, and bacon. Bon appetit!
Thank you.